How to make your birthday tax deductible. First, you're going to book your itinerary. You're going to invite all your business friends, business relationships, business contacts, usually people that I'd have at my birthday or people that I work with or people in the same type of business or work with me to build my business. Everybody's going to book their itinerary, get their plane tickets, going to fly out on a Wednesday. Travel days do not count for business. Thursday, you're going to have a 4-hour mastermind class from 8 o'clock to 12 o'clock. You're going to be talking about marketing strategies. You're going to be talking about how to grow your business. Then after the mastermind class, you're going to hang out at the hotel, swim, do your thing for the rest of the day. Friday, you're going to have a mastermind class from 6 o'clock to 11 p.m. where you're going to be doing the same thing. You're going to be talking about marketing, sales, different growth opportunities. Having dinner and drinks, and just talking about different things that you can do to grow your business. Saturday, you're going to have your birthday. You're going to be out at the nightclub at night. You're going to be doing your thing at the beach or wherever it is that you go during the day. Sunday, same thing, hanging out at the beach. You're going to be doing your beach thing. You're going to be talking about business. You're going to be recovering from Saturday. Because you worked Friday and because you're working Monday and having a 2-hour masterclass again on Monday about sales, about growth, about marketing strategies, about social media content. The weekend is actually also considered work days. And then on Tuesday, you're going to fly home and you're going to be back with your family and you've been able to, go out and enjoy almost a week of your time, include your birthday, include business, and you're going to have a bunch of tax deductible expenses. A portion of these things are going to be able to be deductible, and some of them are going to be fully deductible. You're going to have hotel, meals, alcohol, your conference room, your flight, and there's going to be other things included in there as well. For more content like this, like and follow. Click the link in the bio for more information or to book a strategy session with me. Appreciate your time. Always check with your tax professional before making any decisions. Thank you for your time, and have a great day.